Thank you for summing that up. Why couldn't I have just killed that dragon when I found him in the woods? It would have been better for everyone.
The rest of us would have done it. So why didn't you? Why didn't you?
I don't know. I couldn't.
That's not an answer.
Why is it so important to you all of a sudden?
Because I want to remember what you say right now.
Oh, for the love of... I was a coward. I was weak. I wouldn't kill a dragon.
You said wouldn't that time.
Whatever. I wouldn't. 300 years, and I'm the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon.
First to ride one, though. So...
I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. I looked at him, and I saw myself.
I bet he's really frightened now. What are you gonna do about it?
Probably something stupid.
Good, but you've already done that.
Then something crazy.